Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. In this video we'll be covering device creation. If you want to understand devices, there's a little bit of a prereq here. At the very least, you should know how to access basic coverages, fiber, and multi-maps. Reason being is that when you add a device, one or all of these maps is where you would add them. Let's go ahead and get started here by opening an existing multi-map. When you add a device, you'll start off by using the right-click function on your mouse and dropping a pin. You can see that you have a variety of devices to pick from, but in this case, I'm just going to choose an access point. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to name your device. You can name it anything you'd like, but keep in mind that this field is restricted to alphanumeric characters. You can add dashes or underscores, but that's it. The second line here is your Google Doc link. The link can be obtained from using the share feature on your Google document. This allows you to have a button in the view window of your device. This button will open a new tab of your browser and it'll redirect to the provided address. Device group is similar to device name in that it's restricted to alphanumeric characters. Just the same as above, you can add dashes or underscores, but that's it. Moving on to the IP address portion of this form, you can select from IPv4 or IPv6. The primary purpose of this section is for documentation. Once devices are created, the device list window will have a check status button. You can use this to check and see if the device is reachable, but it only works for public IPs. Latitude and longitude are automatically populated based on pin position, but if you would like to change the coordinates, you could do that here. The notes field is meant to be used for record-keeping purposes. It can hold a huge amount of data as well as contain return characters and indents. An easy way to format this if you want a good clean set of notes is to type them in a word processor and then copy and paste them here. Once you're finished making the changes, click Create Device and save your work. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. That is all I have for now, guys, but I will see you for the next one.